Hello, dear learners. All of you are welcome in my online class. I hope you are staying at home with safe and sound. Of course, I believe that you will watch the video. Let's go our today's class. Dear learners, before starting our lesson, I will show a poster paper. Look at the poster paper. Dear learners, here in the first picture, we can see some boats on river shore tie in the post. In the second picture, we can see some women talk with each other on the boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of waters. They do not live in one place. They always move from one place to another. In the last picture, we can see some people on the boats and some people in the water. They dive for natural pearls in the water. So, dear learners, I think you can realize about our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is river gypsies in Bangladesh. Okay. River 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 gypsies GYPSIES river gypsies in Bangladesh BANGLADESH 1 Unit 7 Lesson 3 Unit 7 Lesson 3 River Gypsies in Bangladesh Unit 7 Lesson 3 Lesson 3 Dear learners, now I will read out the passage. Listen it attentively. River Gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The Gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these peoples are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At the time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing, picking up lice in twos or threes sitting in a row. Throughout, throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. They also try to help pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Dear learners, now I will give you some new words. You have to keep your EFT and your copy with you. Okay? Look at the blackboard. At first I write ethnic. E THNIC. Ethnic. Ethnic, relating to a particular race, relating to a particular race of people. Ethnic, relating to a particular race of people, or relating to a race or national group of people. Okay. Its meaning word tribal. TRIBAL. Tribal or racial. Its grammar adjective. Next one, lifestyle. LIFE, life, STYLE, lifestyle. Lifestyle, someone's, meaning of this word, someone's way of living. Just lifestyle. Its meaning word is custom. CUSTOM. Custom or life. Its grammar is noun. Next one, I will write on the board. Nomadic. 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 Nomadic, a member of a group of people who move from one place to another, rather than living in one place all of the time. Its meaning word is roaming. 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 Its grammar is adjective. Next one, toddlers. 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 Toddlers actually relating to a young child or baby who did not talk or walk fulfill, who has recently learned to talk and walk. Okay. Toddlers meaning word is infant. 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 Last one, suck. SUCK. Toddler's grammar is noun. Suck. Suck actually the action of sucking something to pour liquid or air in your mouth without using your teeth. Okay. Its meaning word is draw or pull. 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 Its grammar is verb. Dear learners, I'll give you only 5 words with its meaning and grammar. Okay. Now, dear learners, now I will give you question 1. Choose the best answer. You have to write on your copy. Question 1. choose, choose, choose the best, bestanswer. Choose the best answer. Letter A, monsoon, 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 monsoon in the passage, in the passage, passage, passage refers to, refers, refers to Roman number 1, summer, summer, summer. Roman number 2, winter, winter. Roman number 3, autumn, autumn. Roman number 4, rainy, rainy, rainy season, season, rainy season. Dear learners, monsoon, a season of heavy rain, a season of heavy rain. We can see all are the season of Bangla year, summer, winter, autumn and rainy season. As the monsoon, a season of heavy rain, so according to this, the rainy season fall heavy rain. So correct answer of this question is rainy season. Rainy season. Next question B. Gypsy, Gypsy, Gypsy stand, stand, stand for. Gypsy stand for. Roman number 1, nomad, nomad. Roman number 2, aborigine, aborigine. Roman number 3, fortune, fortune, fortune teller, teller. Roman number 4, gymnast, gymnast, gymnast. Dear learners, look at the option. Option 1, nomad. Nomad indicates some people who do not live in one place. They always move from one place to another. Aborigine, aborigine a person, animal or plant that has been in a country or region from earliest time. Next one, option 3, fortune teller, a person who tells you that the thing will happen to you in the future. Last one, gymnast, a person who trained and is skillful in gymnastics. Okay, according to this, gypsy Gypsy means traveling people. So, answer of this question, nomad. Nomad. Question C. The children. Children. The children of gypsies of Gypsies. Gypsies play with play, play with, play with dash in the dust, dust. Option 1, Roman number 1, village, village, village people, people. Roman number 2, pet animals, pet, PETANIMALS, pet animals. Roman number 3, they are THEIR, they are parents, PARENTS. Roman number 4, their mother, THEIR, their mother, MOTHER. The children of gypsies play with dash in the dust. Option 1, village people who live in village in a family or community. Option 2, pet animals. An animal that is kept in the home as a companion and treated kindly, just pet animals. Next one, their parents, their father and mother. Last one, their mother, only their mother. Okay, according to the gap, answer of this question, pet animals. Pet animals. Dear learners, now I will give you next question. Question D. It is the dash of many villagers, many, 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 VILLAGERS, many villagers that gypsies, that gypsies have special power, special, 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 POWER, special power. Dear learners, look at the gap. Before gap, have article there, and after gap, preposition of. So, this is a structure. In this structure, you have to use Roman number 1, believe, BLIEVE. Roman number 2, belief, BELIEF. Roman number 3, believed, BELIEVED. L-I-E-V-E-D. Roman number 4, believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E-A-B-L-E, believable. According to the gap, you can see this is the structure. In this structure, you have to use noun. So, according to this, its correct answer, only one noun, believe. Belief is right answer. Next question, E. They, T-A-is-E-Y, they can drive, D-R-I-V-E. They can drive the E-V-I-L, evil spirits, S-P-R-I-T-S, spirits, evil spirits, L-A-W-A-Y, away by Roman number 1, herbal, A-S-E-R-B-A-L, herbal medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, herbal medicine. Roman number 2, sucking, S-U-C-K-I-N-G, sucking blood, B-L-O-O-D. Roman number 3, magic powers, M-A-G-I-C, magic, P-O-W-E-R-S, magic powers. Roman number 4, other things, O-T-H-E-R, other, T-H-I-N-G-S, other things. Dear learners, look at the question. They can drive the evil spirits away by option 1, herbal medicine. Herbal medicine, a medicine or medical treatment made from plants. Sucking blood, the action of sucking something to liquid or to pull liquid or air. Blood is liquid substances. Okay, sucking blood. Magic powers, mass, the use of special powers, and last one, other things. According to the question, they can drive the evil spirits away by sucking blood. According to this passage, sucking blood. Dear learners, I will give you next question. Question F. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special means M-E-A-N-S. Special means Roman number 1, normal, N-O-R-M-A-L. Roman number 2, ordinary, O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y. Roman number 3, exceptional, E-X-C-E-P-T-I-O-N-A-L. Roman number 4, usual, U-S-U-A-L. Dear learners, Look at the words. Special means Roman number 1, normal. Normal, usual. Usual and ordinary. Option 2. Ordinary is normal or usual. Same meaning. Both are same meaning. Next one. Option 3. Exceptional. Exceptional much greater than usual. Not what happens. Regularity or is expected. Last one. Usual. Usual, ordinary or general. Okay. According to this word, its meaning exceptional. Exceptional. Last one, I will give you last question. The word belief, B-E-L-I-E-F, belief is A oblique N Roman number 1 verb, V-E-R-B. Roman number 2 noun, N-O-U-N. Roman number 3 adjective, A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E. Adjective. Roman number 4 adverb, A-D-V-E-R-B. Adverb. The word believe is an actually by believe want to know its grammar. Okay, belief actually we know believe actually noun. Okay, according to this its answer is noun. We have already finished our session. Dear learners, now I will give you some homeworks. You have to write some new words. Okay. Homework. Dear learners, all of you have to write this word on your copy with its grammar and meaning. Okay. First one, make, M-A-K-E, make, S-H-I-F-T, make shift. Second one, throughout, T-H-R-O-U-G-H-O-U-T. Next one, hell, H-E-A-L, hell. Then evil, E-V-I-L. Last one, next one, herbals, H-E-R-B-A-L. Last one, tents, T-E-N-T-S. Dear learners, I have already finished my session. All the best. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. See you later.